Hey friends, this is our 2020 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you just a really quick tip that saved us a bunch of money, and that is this coolant reservoir cap, if it needs to be replaced, or if any of these hoses need to be replaced, like ours, which has a crack in it now. So as you can see, coolant has been leaking over and kind of getting down here in our engine bay. And so basically to replace this cap, it's pretty easy. This is the new one. So the way these work, this is what the new one will look like. Again, you have to kind of find these specialty. I'll put a link in the description box below if you'd like to pick one up on Amazon. Basically, you have one side of the hose that just comes out. This is kind of a relief valve over there. And then you have the main hose that goes down into your reservoir. And then the cap that just snaps on down like that, and it's a little loose on top, you can see, but there's that lip, so it does stay on. And then basically what you'll need to do is connect this hose. Again, we're gonna have to replace this hose because of the crack here, but it goes over here and connects down to a little intake for our radiator. And then basically you just connect this hose onto this side, and that just pushes on, seats into place, and that's basically it. That's how you replace that cap. The shop that we took this to said they had to special order this from a Toyota dealership. They're gonna charge us $175 just to replace that cap. I was able to find it on Amazon for much cheaper. The labor literally was like a minute, 2 minutes to do. So anyway, hopefully that helps. Wanted to give you guys just a quick peek at that. Hopefully that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, make a ton of these little DIY tutorial videos, make your life just a little easier.